Hey guys, I'm Paul Foster from Contact Renovation, the Custom Homes, and the host of The Art of Renovation. Welcome to What's Up Wednesday, where we showcase different projects we're working on. This is a bit different again this week as I'm away traveling in Peru, visiting some family. And so I'm showcasing some architectural details in the various places we're staying. Right now we're in the north of Peru, in Los Órganos, and we're staying at a place called La Playa. There's some villas right on the waterfront. Beautiful place. Check out the view. It's pretty unreal. Anyhow, there's a few things about this place I want to show you that I think are really cool within how they've done the design work here. And so this is the master suite. And one thing I want to talk about here is the design, like the texture, the color that goes into this here. And I guess first off, I want to talk about this. This has got a grass roof on a timber frame, and it's just gorgeous. If you take a look at this stuff closely, you can see it's braided or weaved the way they build the actual grass panels. It's common. I've seen this stuff throughout Asia and the South Pacific, or Southeast Asia, and we see it here now in the north of Peru. I'm sure this is there's some throwback to a Balinese type here. It's kind of a hybrid design, but it's really beautiful, and anybody who, especially carpenters, will understand right here there's a pretty complex miter there, which is something that I really appreciate. So pretty cool. It's beautiful texture and color. I really love the look of this. Other thing too would be pretty common we see in North America and Canada is a lot of dressing up kind of the headboard wall. So here they've used this really cool stone tile product. There's a throwback to Incan construction type here, where you'll see it kind of around Cusco, which is kind of around the Machu Picchu area, and anyway, so Incan style here. This isn't something that just looks good or to make material fit. It was based on making it very strong construction wise, because there's lots of earthquakes. So while this is more of an aesthetic kind of finish on the surface, it's not structural. It's a really nice throwback culturally here to incorporate some of the Incan construction type, and it looks just beautiful. And you can see decor-wise, we have some Balinese art here and whatnot, and really ties things together nicely. And it's really a beautiful room, nice and open concept. Behind this wall is the washroom, so it's kind of open with the ceiling design. And then here we have, when you spin around, we have a little office area, which I can tell you was just fantastic to work from here. The view is outstanding, and I like the use of the glass tabletop to kind of keep it open and airy, and really nice overall how they've designed this. We have some different style here, and actually this, you'll see a bit of this throughout Alberta, where they use like the willow branches to make furniture. It's really common back home, so it's cool to see a similar design here within the chair and the coffee table. Here, back to this table for a second for the office. I really like the simple kind of a sawhorse style leg design on these things. Again, carpenters might appreciate that. Here we have this old chair, really cool, solid wood, really interesting stuff. So don't be afraid back home when you're designing your spaces to mix your woods, your textures, your types of material. Here we have glass, we have grass, we've got stone, we have different types of wood, from kind of willow branches to solid wood material. Here we have Balinese dresser, which is like gorgeous, and again different textures, whatnot. So there you go. Thinking of the bathroom next. It's pretty cool, again different than the last place, but worth noting. So give me a sec, I'll meet you in there. Okay, so the last place I was in had a concrete countertop with a different type of vessel sink, your classic more ceramic. This one here we have a solid wood top, and I really like the stone sink bowl here that they've used. Really cool natural element, looks beautiful, and it kind of ties in with the overall design here. I'll swing this around, and you can see here we've got a nice stone tiled shower, and again you can see above me we've got this beautiful grass roof texture with the timber frame, and overall really nicely done little bathroom. It's nothing big, but it certainly fits the overall design of these villas, and it's really beautiful stuff. All right, thanks for tuning in to What's Up Wednesday. I'm your host, Paul from Contact Renovations Custom Homes, the host of The Art of Renovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next week.